Woo! What's going on, everybody? I'm literally trying to hide from the sun. It's a really hot day. As you can see, the sun is like right here, and the only shaded area is right here. But anyways, I am getting ready to prime with a clear primer, this guy, because I want to make sure that all the plastic here is gonna accept whatever paint or washes or whatever the hell I'm gonna put on this thing, okay? And since I don't know how to paint, I can't just prime this with gray primer and then repaint the whole thing. I am not that good. So what I'm doing is I'm priming it with the clear so I can play off the colors already on here. I'm more rather gonna weather it than actually repaint. So I'm working with the knowledge I have. Like I said, I can't paint, so that's how I'm gonna start. So yep, that's what I'm gonna do right now. Just prime it. I'm gonna prime it and go from there. So I'm pretty much done priming it. Just in case anybody was wondering, this is what I used. I also ordered the Rust-Oleum adhesive promoter online because nobody had it. I found this at AutoZone. It works for plastics, vinyls, chromes, and all that other crap. This is what somebody on Twitter suggested. Thank you so much. Sorry I'm forgetting your name, but it's what I've seen model makers and model kit builders and gunpla builders use on their kits when they just want to use a clear primer. So that's the whole point. It's an adhesion promoter, so it's promoting the adhesion with the paint that I'm gonna put on this bitch. Understand? Let me tell you something. It's 0% chance rain, and I already see clouds over here. If it rains, I'm gonna be so freaking pissed. So freaking pissed. Anyway, I got my black shoe polish, and I'm just gonna pour in a little bit in here. And I got my trusty what is this freaking Dios mío brush, and I got this so I can start, you know, I'm gonna apply it, leave it there for a little bit, and then clean it up, and hopefully I get the results I'm looking for. I want all this detail to be seen, you know, before I start weathering it with like brown colors and whatnot. I want all these crevices to be nice and just have some black hue to it, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, I'm hoping it comes out good. If it doesn't, well, P2, you sure screwed up, buddy. So wish me luck, guys. Alright guys, there you go. First step is pretty much done, which was the wash. As you can see, a lot of detail pops out. I am really happy. I'm gonna let this dry. I'm gonna let this just cure, I guess, for a day. I don't even know if it has to be cured for a day, but I'm just gonna leave it by itself for a day. Because, damn, it took me for a little bit. Let me swing it around. See, there you go. The teeth will be clean, don't worry about that. I mean, even though they look dirty, I like that actually. But, yeah, so... Anyway, you can see what I was going for. Super detailed. This, I still have to finish, I think, the bottom part, now that I realize. But everything else came out pretty good. I'm pleased. I'm pleased. I mean, I'm doing this with shoe polish. It's the first time I've ever done this. So, I'm happy. Might clean it up in some areas. I really hate the fact that the tail is a different plastic than the body, and the neck is the same plastic as the tail. But what are you gonna do, right? What are you gonna do? Look at that right there. Let me push the focus. There you go. Anyways, freaking awesome. This is part 1 of this customization crap, since it's gonna take me a little bit. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it, man. I hope you guys enjoy the thing, and hopefully if anybody's watching this and knows better than I do, let me know what's up. If I'm doing something wrong, by all means, point it out. Hold up. Snout over here. Yeah, that's fine. Dopeness. Oh, actually, that's right at the back. There you go, that's the tail. There we go. Yeah, I'm sorry, it's just the camera keeps focusing on the fence. Stupid. Anyway, love you guys. See you later.